big rumor coming from MotoGP, and that is that Yamaha may be losing their star rider. And that obviously right there is Fabio Quartararo, who is a champion with Yamaha. And I will say, I'm a Yamaha fanboy. From road racing to dirt bikes, my own bikes are Yamahas. I'm a big fan of it. And I will say, yes, it has been a long run for them after the 2021 MotoGP championship with him. The last few years have been pretty rough. But the news coming from motorsport.com is that he will be switching to that red bike back there, which is Honda. So it's big. I mean, consider he's been with Yamaha for 8 seasons now, spanning his entire MotoGP career, from 2019 when he was with the Petronas satellite team from 19 to 20, and then 2021 when he moved up to the factory Yamaha squad and ended up winning the title then. Like I said, obviously the last few years have been, how do we want to put this, a Ducati championship, a V4 championship, whatever you want to say. Now, obviously, this year, they will be debuting, correct me if I'm wrong, their V4 M1, whatever they call it, the V4 version of their MotoGP bike instead of the inline 4. So it is going to be a big difference. Obviously, we saw it, last year for a couple races, kind of in a prototype way. So the question is this true? I mean, as far as it sounds, he's signed with Honda or going to be signing for a 2-year deal starting in 2027. So this would be his last year with Yamaha, and who knows? I mean, if he gets on this bike, the V4 is, incredible or whatever it is, it's going to be a big surprise. I mean, it's going to be one of those sad things if he absolutely destroys this year. If Yamaha makes a killer bike and the V4 is competitive and running up front, to switch over to Honda right after that is going to be a big change. I'm going to be sad to see this if it's actually true. It kind of seems to be, if somebody's reporting on it, more than likely it's not, just a hearsay thing, especially to put out such a big name, such a big, long time factory squad in the sport, to switching to, well, I guess, another just mainstay in Honda, but it's just it's a big thing. I mean, to lose your championship rider, you're probably your number one, your star guy, and it's going to be a big thing to replace him. I mean, obviously all these guys are super talented, so anybody you put on these bikes is going to be good. It's just going to be a question of, are they going to be at the same level he is, and are they going to be back to a championship, contention? Who knows? But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Do you watch MotoGP? Do you not like road racing? Are you just a dirt bike fan? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.